Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. It's Melitta, and in today's video I thought that it would be a lot of fun to do a little decluttering and organizing because I have like way too much stuff, especially when it comes to my makeup, hair care and skincare. I'm a hoarder and I keep my makeup way after the time that it should be kept. I keep things that I actually have never used, and I buy a lot of things that I actually don't need, while I actually lack a lot of stuff that I would need. So I thought that today it would be very useful to declutter all my makeup, all my hair care, all my skincare with you guys, go through it and organize it a little bit, and also to, just certain corners of my apartment to make them a little bit more organized and a little bit more tidy, because I got a little bit interested in minimalism. So I don't say that I want to be a minimalist or that I am a minimalist, but I realized that I am a kind of person who consumes way too much and who buys way too much and wastes way too much. So I think that it was like kind of time for me to start reorganizing my life and see what's important, what I actually need, and separate it from what I want. And for that, the easiest way to start with is just step by step declutter certain parts of your life and of your apartment. So for today, I'm going to start with my makeup and with all my skincare and hair care and my knickknacks. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. Alright, so here we start. I put everything on my bed. That includes skincare or the jewelry, knickknacks and hair products and my makeup. So my goal is to fit everything to that. And in my bathroom I have a same shelf to here. So I will start with just throwing everything out of these little baskets and boxes and start separating everything. Alright, so here it's all the mess. Hold up, I will be needing this. So here it's all the mess, and now we start separating everything. Separate makeup from hair care, skincare and jewelry. And then we're gonna go further to put everything in these baskets and boxes and bags. And I have a plastic bag to throw away that I won't be needing, because there is probably a bunch of makeup that can't be used anymore, or maybe already empty or over time, so it's not good anymore. Same with skincare, and I have a bunch of broken jewelry. So let's get to separating, shall we? I'm making some progress. This is for eyeshadows and eyeshadow primers. What's this? Mascaras and all kinds of eyeliners and eye pencils. This is for foundations and primers. This one is for the lippies, lip liners. And we are still going through it. Oh my god, do you see how much garbage I have? And this is what I'm going to throw away. It's a lot already. I will need another bag. Keep going. So here we have all my contour, bronzer and blushes and the setting powders to make it a little bit more easier. And here under all my concealers. And here on the side I have my concealer palettes. setting powders, contouring palettes, here also some contour sticks, bronzers, see? Here's also bronzer and highlighting stick. And we still have our mountain to go through. So here is all my makeup, decluttered and separated. Here we can find all the things that my eye needs. And here is all the concealers, bronzers and blushes and contour palettes. Here are all my primers and my foundations. Here are all my lippies and my fixing sprays. There are all my highlighters. There are all my kind of tools like, I don't know, my tweezers, eyelash curlers, sponges, lashes, glues, and brushes. It's like a big box, so you can only see the top of it. And then we get to the rest. This is more like hair, skincare, and jewelry and garbage. Let's get to it. So now we got into my jewelry and my hair knickknacks. So here are all my necklaces, bigger earrings, bigger rings and bracelets. Here are all my smaller rings inside. I don't see, you see nothing, but whatever. Here are all my smaller earrings paired, and unfortunately these have no pair, so I will have to throw them away. And I already separated. These are my skincare products. These are all the leftover knickknacks that I know that I will need. Those are my jewelry and my hair thingies. And here is some more skincare. So I'm gonna put all these on its places. Just clean off my bed, obviously, and then we throw the trash away. Right there. And I will be right back. Okay, so are you guys ready to see how it looks after I'm done decluttering and organizing? Ta-da! Much better, right? I covered up with a cute little bunny those little stains that I caused there, but I'm planning on actually painting my apartment. And thereof is my mirror. I decided to hang up two, what is this, hats as decoration to cover that ugly little part of my wall. Ta-da! Actually, there are all my, what's that? Nail polishes, see? I don't know why I just did that. And here is all my makeup and all my makeup tools. There down is my hair care. There is toilet paper, it's nothing important. And all my sunglasses, perfumes are right here on display. I think it looks, you know, quite cute, as I would say. What do you guys think? Oh, by the way, that is my bathroom, and I don't even have a bathroom door right now because it broke off. How cool is that? And now I'm gonna show you what I did with the bathroom closet. So here we are in my bathroom, and this is the little shelf. So on the upper part I left it completely open because I just wanted this little fake plant on it. I think it looks much cuter and cleaner. Down here is all my skincare products and deodorants for me and my friend, and here are all my jewelry and the rest of the hair and skincare products, and here down is all the cleaning supplies. So there it is, my makeup and my skincare, and a part of my bathroom and a part of my bedroom is a bit more organized and decluttered. How cool! So that's it for today's video, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up And don't forget to hit that little subscribe button and the notification bell so you always will be notified when I upload something new. And how are you with tidying? Are you living in a minimalistic way or are you a hoarder as well? Also let me know that down in the comment section below. I also want to apologize for how I look like in this video. I have no makeup on and my face is full with breakouts and outfit of the day. But as I said, I was cleaning and decluttering, so you know, why would I dress up and do my makeup for that? Maybe because I shoot the video for YouTube, but you know, I don't think that that's the important part of the video. The most important part of the video is decluttering and organizing. If you have any other tips or hacks that could make decluttering, tidying and organizing any more easy, then please also, you know, let me know about it. And don't forget to say hi to me on social media as well. I really like to chat with you guys on Instagram and on my Snapchat as well. And I have a Facebook page as well. So don't forget to, you know, visit me and say hi. I think that's all for the crazy talk for today, and I hope you all really did enjoy the video, and maybe it will come handy one time in your life, who knows. For now, I'm just gonna enjoy the rest of my Sunday because all the hard work is done and I'm logging off. Kisses to you guys, and I love you all.